Do you know the silent signs of a stroke? Not everyone does, but recognizing them could save a life. Strokes often sneak up without a warning, leaving victims and their loved ones grappling for answers. Being aware of the silent yet alarming signs of a stroke can significantly improve outcomes. Early detection is paramount and can make the difference between life and death, complete recovery, or long-term disability. It's time to arm ourselves with knowledge. So let's delve into 5 silent stroke signs you should never ignore. The first silent stroke sign is a sudden onset of confusion. This could mean an individual suddenly having difficulty understanding speech or feeling disoriented. Imagine this as being in the middle of a conversation and suddenly words don't make sense, or finding it hard to remember where you are. This is not a common brain fog, but a sudden, unexplained change. It's like being lost in your own familiar world. So remember, if someone suddenly seems confused, it might be more serious than you think. The second sign you should watch out for is trouble with vision. This can present itself as double vision, blurred vision, or even loss of sight in one eye. What's important to note is that these symptoms can come and go. They may not be constant. It's not unusual for them to appear, then disappear, only to reappear again. This fluctuation can cause many to dismiss these symptoms, but they're often a telltale sign of a stroke. If you or someone else experiences sudden vision changes, don't ignore it. Third on our list is unexplained dizziness or loss of balance. A stroke can often disrupt your body's equilibrium, leading to sudden dizziness, loss of balance, or even coordination. It's like the world around you starts spinning, or you may feel unstable on your feet. These signs can easily be mistaken for other less serious health issues like vertigo or general fatigue. But remember, when these symptoms occur without a clear cause, they might be hinting at something more serious. If you find yourself or others suddenly dizzy or unsteady, it might be a sign of a stroke. Our fourth silent stroke sign is a sudden severe headache. Picture this. You're going about your day when out of the blue, a fierce headache strikes. It's not just any headache, it's unrelenting and severe, without a clear cause. Accompanying this unexpected pain, you might also experience dizziness, nausea, or even a change in your level of consciousness. While headaches are a common ailment, a sudden and severe one is a different beast altogether. Headaches can be common, but a sudden severe one shouldn't be ignored. The fifth and final silent stroke sign is sudden trouble walking. When a stroke occurs, it can cause sudden numbness or weakness, often on one side of the body. This can make it challenging to maintain balance or coordinate movements, leading to trouble walking. You might find yourself stumbling or unable to walk in a straight line, as if you're suddenly intoxicated. It's important to understand that this isn't just a sign of aging or fatigue. So, if you notice sudden difficulty walking, it might be a stroke. Recognizing these silent stroke signs is crucial. Let's recap. Sudden onset of confusion, trouble with vision, unexplained dizziness or loss of balance, a sudden severe headache, and sudden trouble walking. These are more than just health anomalies. They are potential warnings of a silent stroke. It's paramount to seek immediate medical attention if you or a loved one display any of these signs. Remember, early detection can save lives. Stay vigilant and stay healthy.